Today we're unboxing the Ancel AD410 OBD2 car code reader. I've got some problems with the vehicle, so I wanted to get something to diagnose the issues, and this one seemed to be like one that should do the job. So we'll see what we've got included here. We've got a little user manual. Looks like there's a charging cable there. We've got our OBD2 port on the end of that, and then it looks like they give you a little case here, so that's nice. And then here's the actual device itself. So smaller than I thought it would be. Let's see if it's charged up or if I can turn it on or anything. So looks like I'm gonna need to charge this first. So if you're getting one of these, better open it right away, charge up, so that you can then get reading your OBD2 codes. So that is the Ancel AD410 AD, and I got this one because it seemed like it was going to do most of what I needed to do for the OBD2 code reading for my vehicles. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.